Leo, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang weekly reading ninyo, April 6 to 12, 2026. General reading, so pwede kayo makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com. Or you can book directly sa aking calendar link on the description or sa comment section. Okay, let's see. Leo. Ano? Ano yung energy for you this week? April 6 to 12. For Leo. Okay. Exhaustion. Naku, kayo ay pagod. Baka marami kayong inasikaso or marami kayong gagawin ngayong week na to. Very busy. But you know what? Meron namang help, no? May tumutulong sa inyo. Pwede kasing may transition dito, may change, or parang may pagbabago ng sitwasyon mo. Kumbaga parang naglilipat ng bahay, 'di ba? Pag naglilipat tayo ng bahay, nakakapagod. Kasi kailangan yung mga gamit ita-transport mo, tapos pagdating din sa bahay, mag-unload ka pa, tapos magre-redecorate ka ulit. Alam mo yun, sa ganong klaseng exhaustion. But you have the support that you need, so don't worry. Meant to be. Okay, so I think itong change na to na magaganap ngayong week na to, itong action, itong movement na to is meant for you to experience. Meant to be. So yun talaga para sa'yo. So kung yan yung isa sa mga plano mo, na kahit na nakakapagod, go mo lang, tuloy mo lang, kasi that's for you. Okay, let's see what else, Leo. You have the King of Pentacles, the Knight of Wands. So, this has something to do with your career, business, finances. Mas malakas yung loob mo ngayon, no? Kasi the Knight of Wands is taking a risk. Maaaring magtitake ka ng risk sa trabaho mo, sa business mo, to make that change, para magkaroon ng pagbabago. Pero syempre, no, kung hindi ka sure, edi pag-isipan mo muna. But if you are really sure, gusto mo talaga yan, then i-pursue mo. Kakaroon naman yan ng stability for you. Oh, you have the Fool. This is a new beginning. Oh, taking a risk talaga. May pagka-risk taker kayo ngayon, Leo, ngayong week na to. But you know what? I think you are guided with your intuition and courage. Diba? So, everything is meant to be. You have the Page of Cups. Oh, may happy news. This is also about merong offer. Can be offer of love, offer of new career, trabaho, business for you na magbibigay sa'yo ng good news. You also have the Seven of Swords. Nako, mag-ingat rin kayo doon sa mga nakaka-deal ninyo. Especially kung minamadali kayo. Halimbawa, may ka-deal kayo sa investment or may kailangan kayo ilabas na pera. Mag-ingat kayo. I-check nyo muna. Oh, you have the Four of Swords. This is recovery. Some of you makakapagpahinga kahit paano, no? Kahit na kayo'y pagod, may pagkakataon kayong makapagbigay ng oras at panahon para sa sarili ninyo. Oh, you have the Death card, which is about transition, change, transformation. So, merong mag-e-end, merong magsisimula. Oo. So, this can be sa career path mo, may matatapos, may sisimulan kang bagong opportunity. You have the Three of Swords. Alam niyo yung iba sa inyo, itong whatever is ending for you, dadamdamin nyo siya. Like parang, because this can be a relationship na mag-end for you. Of course, kailangan lang naman nating harapin kung ano man yung challenges na yan na pagdadaanan. Okay? Ang importante is you are aware na ito ay pagsubok lang. I think may kinalaman to sa trust issues na meron kang tao na marirealize na binitray ka. Pwedeng betrayal eh. major challenge to overcome. So this week, maaaring ito yung challenge na i-overcome mo, yung betrayal ng trust mo, yung tiwala mo sa isang tao. Someone is trying to come between you and a friend or something you want. Okay? So, pwede, yun nga, may kumukontra. May kumukontra sa mga plano mo, sa mga gusto mo. So, make sure yung mga taong hayaan mo na maka-impluwensya sa'yo ay yung mga talagang suportado ka sa gusto mo. Yung mga totoo talaga. Hard work ahead, ayan. Kaya nga ba kayo ay may pagod? Oo, basta importante ay may time kayo sa sarili nyo, no? At of course, kahit pagod, hindi porket pagod, magko-quit ka na. Sabi nga kapag pagod, magpahinga. Tapos, laban ulit. 'Di ba? So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.